Hi class, let's take a look at the next example. And in this particular problem, we're looking at the following. So the actual company, it's going to make two main products. So one of them is called Gentle Grow, and then the other one is going to be called Sunsaver. So let me start with that. And remember that you're looking at liters. So I'm just going to say let X equal to, and that's going to be the first one. So total liters of the Gentle Grow mix. And then Y is going to be technically total liters of, and in this case, the Sunsaver mix. And then let me actually start with the system. So the system is actually going to have the following two equations. So the first portion is the total amount of liters. So in this case, they're stating that it's going to end up to be a 90 liter solution. So technically X plus Y is equal to the values of 90. That's going to be our first equation. Our second equation has to deal with the actual, the actual percentages on each of these. And we're told that the first one, it's going to have 3%. So let me write it as a percent. 3% X plus, and this is supposed to be an X, plus, and we're looking at 8% Y. So 8% Y. This is equal to, and our final mixture, it's going to have, well, technically 90 liters, but it's going to have a concentration of 6%. So this will be 6%, and that's going to be our second equation. Let me rewrite it. And then what we could do here is also express the percentages as decimals. So technically X plus Y is equal to the values of 90. Then 0.03x plus 0.08y is equal to, and let me just multiply this on the side. So here we're going to actually carry the following multiplication. So this is going to be 90 times 0.06. So 0.54, then technically 0.0, and this is going to be 540, but two decimal places, 5.4. So this is going to be 5.4. And I think it's best if we just, let's see. Yeah, elimination would be faster. So let's eliminate the actual x's. So eliminate. So to eliminate the x's, we could multiply 1 by negative 0.03, which is going to give us the following. So in this case, we're going to be multiplying by 0.03 negative and negative 0.03. And keep in mind that we're multiplying every single one of the terms. So on the first two, it's going to be negative 0.03x minus 0.03y. And then we're multiplying these two. So this is going to be 90 times 0.03. So 0.27. So I'm getting 2.7. It's actually negative. So this is equal to negative 2.7. I'm not going to include the 0 since technically, it's not going to make much difference. And then add to 2. So I'll just say, and add So adding it to 2, it's going to be 0.03x plus 0.08y. This is equal to 5.4. So at this point, your x's get eliminated, and we're left with 0.05y. This is equal to positive 2.7, since technically that's just half of 5.4. And then at this point, let me actually move the problem here. So we still have 0.05y is equal to 2.7. So we're going to end up dividing by 0.05, divide by 0.05. And in this case, our y value is equal to 2.7 divided by 0.05. And before we carry the long division, we're going to have to multiply by 100. So by 100 by 100. And this is going to give us 2700 divided by the values of 5. Wait. No, I have an extra 0. So that's going to be, if we move it twice, 1 and 2. Yeah. And let's see. So technically 5, we're dividing 270. And it's going to be 5. So 5, that's going to be 25. And I'm getting 54. Let me double check. No, yeah, we're good. So our y value is equal to 54. The total mix is equal to 90. So technically from here, we could just say that x plus y is equal to 90. And we already know what y is. So x plus 54 is equal to 90. Subtract the 54. And we're going to end up with 36. So x is equal to the values of 36. And let me actually put the solution together. So at this point, we're going to have to write it out. So the solution is so technically x and y, which is equal to 36 and the values of 54. But remember that we're technically talking about a word problem. And x represented liters of the gentle grow mix. So we will need 36 liters of the gentle, and let me double check the name, gentle grow mix. And 54 liters of, and the second one was Sunsaver mix. And that's actually it. A little bit messy. Keep in mind that all of these are gonna actually want the solution expressed as a sentence. If they want it as a coordinate point, we still need to include the unit. And the unit is actually liters, since the problem is stating technically liters of each of those mixtures. So that's actually it for this problem. Not too bad, but it did end up being a little bit long, on the long side.